Good morning. Today we discuss about the Ethernet. So, what is Ethernet and why we are using the Ethernet, and uh, what are the advantages of the Ethernet and what are the disadvantages of the Ethernet? How many types of the Ethernet? Let's discuss. So, first the Ethernet. So, in this Ethernet, it is a widely deployed LAN technology. This technology, invented by Bob Metcalfe and D.R. Boggs in the year of 1970, and it was the standardized in IEEE, so 8023 in 1980. So the Ethernet majorly using a shares media, and this network which uses to share media has a high probability of data collision. And this Ethernet uses a carrier sense multi access, that is CSMA, and collision detection, that is CD technology to detect the collisions. On these collision in the Ethernet, all it hosts to roll back and it wait for some random amount of time and then retransmit the data. The advantage of the Ethernet. And this majorly in this example, in this we are showing the cable. This is called Ethernet cable, and this Ethernet cable, every PC or every laptop Ethernet point is there, and this one is called what is the cable, and this one this is RJ45 jacket, and this RJ45 jacket we are using the crimping, and total 8 leads are there, Cat5 cable we are using, then connected into the Ethernet. And this network majorly interface carrier equipped with 48 bits address, and it helps the Ethernet devices to identify and communicate with the remote devices in the Ethernet. Okay, and this traditional technology for connecting the devices in a wide local area network, that is a wide local area network is nothing but LAN, local area network, or wide area network, or metropolitan area network, to communicate with each via protocols. And this protocol we are already discussed, that is the TCP IP protocol, that is the transmission control protocol, internet protocol. So common network language. And the Ethernet describe how the network devices can format and transmitting the data, so other devices on the same local or campus area networks segment can recognize to receive and processing the information. The Ethernet, it connecting the devices accessing a geographically localized network also, and this wired rather than the wireless connections also using the Ethernet. For example, this is a business and organizations and long distance connectivities, we are using the advantage of the Ethernet, and this supporting to Ethernet wireless technology also. And okay, and why we are using Ethernet? So the Ethernet majorly we are using the network connections for the local networks or outside networks, that is the organizations or company offices, or like school campus and hospitals also Ethernet using high. Okay, and this is Ethernet is majorly it is for purpose is high speed, and security and reliability is more. Okay, and this Ethernet popularly, and its inexpensive price tag when compared to the competitive technology of the time, so such as the IBM. And this Ethernet ability to evolve and delivering high performance levels. Okay, and what are the disadvantages and advantages of the Ethernet? So the advantage is, first one, low cost. Next one is backward is compatibility is good, and the good data transferring quality, so one device to another device, and speed also high speed, and reliability very good. And what are the data security is the common we are using in the present world, firewalls we are using the network. Okay, what are the disadvantage? So it is a shorter distance network, and mobility is limited, and this does not work well real time and interactive applications, and this increase the makes the internet speed go up down. Okay, and next we are discuss about the how many types, and these two types. The first one is the fast ethernet and second one is the giga ethernet. What is meant by fast ethernet? The fast means it is a fast emerging software and hardware technology, and this fast ethernet, and in this fast ethernet it extends itself as a fast ethernet. It can be run also optical fiber cable and wireless also. It can provide the a speed up to 100 Mbps, 10 to 100 Mbps speed, and this standard name is as 100 base T IEEE 8032 using Cat5 twisted pair cable. So in this 10 to 100 Mbps speed we can using the Cat5 twisted pair cable, and it is also supported to CSMA by CD technique for wide media sharing among the Ethernet host, and the CMA technique wireless network we can also use. So in this wireless network, the one is the problem is the CA. CA is problem, it can be detected. That is the CA is nothing but a collision avoidance technique. Collision avoidance you can be reduce the fast Ethernet, and this can be extended up to these 100 meters to 2000 meters. It can be using the fast Ethernet. Okay, and the next one is giga Ethernet. What is meant by giga Ethernet? The giga Ethernet can be introduced in 1995, and in this fast Ethernet could enjoy its high speed status only for 3 years till giga Ethernet introduced. So in this giga Ethernet used to provide to up to 1000 Mbps per second, Mbps bit per second in the giga Ethernet, and it can be standardized. We can be using the Cat5 cable or Cat5 cable or Cat5 cable or Cat6 cable. We can using this giga Ethernet. Okay, and coming to next one, types of area networks. How many types of area networks? The types of area networks are the majorly 3 types. The first one is the LAN, second one is the MAN, and third one is the WAN. So in this types of area networks means it allows the computer to connect and communicate with different computers. Okay, and using via medium. The medium is nothing but we can using the transmission media, that is the guided transmission media or unguided transmission media. Like here we are using the cabling system or wireless system using the between the two computers. So in these types of area networks, 3 types, that is the 3 they to operate over their over. Okay, and this is the some similarities or dissimilarities between them, these 3 area networks. And the one of the major difference is the geographical area they cover, that is the LAN cover a smallest area, MAN covers area longer than the LAN, and WAN compares to largest network area compared to both above MAN and LAN. And these 3 areas also remaining, one more area networks are there, that is a PAN, personal area network is there, and SAN, storage area network is there, and EPN, enterprise area network is there, and VPN, virtual area network is there. These 3 are, and remaining one more example, some more area networks are there. Let me discuss about only LAN. So what is mean by LAN? LAN area network is nothing but LAN or local area networks. It connecting the network device in such a way that personal computers and workstations can share the data and tools and programs. This is the local area network. Okay, so in this local area network, so we given the example. So in this above example, these all are the 1 2 3 4 5 6 are the devices, and this is called as a switch port. This switch port is can be all systems are can be connected into this switch port, and this each it is a we are using this local area network connecting the network devices. Personal computers and workstations can share the data, so tools and programs. Okay, and this group of computers are connected to by a switch. This is a switch, and these all are the group of computers. Stack switch are using the addressing schemes by the using TCP IP protocol. Okay, and these majorly local area network, the private addresses are unique in relation to other computers in the local area network, and these routers are founded by the boundaries line and connecting them to the larger wires. Okay, WANs. In this data transmission is very fast rate, and the number of computers linked or limited. By definition of these connections must be high speed and relatively hardware, like it depends on the such as the hubs, network adapters and Ethernet cables. Okay, and this local area network cover a smaller geographical area also. The size is limited to a few kilometers only. Only one can using for this local area networks, offices or buildings or organizations or hospitals or schools, we can using this local area network. And this local area network maintains easy to design, and this communication medium used LAN we can using the twisted pair cable, that is the cat5 cable or cat5 cable or cat6 cable. And this local area network we can using the a shorter distance. Okay, and this so what is the speed of this local area network? Data rate speed is only 4 to 16 mbps, and the network the data speed is 100 to 1000 mbps data rate. And the smallest LAN using 2 computers also this local area network. Okay, and we can connect it also larger thousands of computers also connected into this local area network. Okay, just for example, a bunch of students counter strike in the same room without internet. That is the advantage of the local area network. So coming to next area network is MAN, Metropolitan Area Network. Or Metropolitan Area Network means the network covers a large area than that the LAN on smaller area as compared to WAN, and it connects 2 or more computers that are apart but reside in the same or different. So in this network area we can connecting the one city to another city. So using the cable is a OFC cable, optical fiber cable. So it connects to 1 or more computers apart but resides in the same or different cities also. And it covers also one more the large geographical area and many internet service providers also. Okay, this MAN we can design for customers who need to high speed connectivity. Customers depends on we can be design this metropolitan area, like we can using the dish. Okay, dish we can be used also. Wireless is nothing but Tata Sky or different networks are there. Okay, and the speed is terms of mbps. Okay, LAN ranges in the term of the mbps, and it can be hard to design and maintain of the metropolitan area network MAN. In this MAN area, it is costly and may or may not be owned by a single organization. For example, we take the one city, the dish we can be, this is the one distributor, and we can go to another city, we can go another distributor. It is depended by the single organizations or multiple organizations we can using this network area. And this data transfer rate in the propagation delay of MAN is moderate. Okay, and the devices are used to this transmission through the manner like the modem is a cable or wireless also. Okay, this is the metropolitan area network. Coming to a wide area network. The wide area network is a computer network. It extended to over large in the geographical area, although it might be confined with the bounds of the state or country. So in the previous compared to LANs, 2 area networks, one is the LAN and MAN. These two comparing LAN, a smallest area network, and MAN is connected to cities, and wide area network, it is completely connected one state to another or one country to another. This is a wide area network, and this wide area network extended over a large geographical area. Okay, and might be confined within the bounds of the state or country. And this wide area network connection, LAN connecting to the other LAN via telephone lines, and radio waves may be limited to enterprises or access to the public. But the technology is a high speed and relatively expensive. And there are 2 types of WANs there. One is a switched WAN, and the second one is a point-to-point WAN. WAN is difficult to design and maintain. Why? Because we can connect it into one country to another country. So that is the major disadvantage. And maintenance is more, and it is similar to a LAN. A fault tolerance of WAN less, and there is more congested in the network. Okay, And a communication medium used for the WAN is a satellite link, and this WAN data rate is very slow, but the 10th LAN speed, since it involves increasing the distance and increasing the number of servers and terminals. This is the advantage of the WAN is we are increasing the distance using some servers and terminals we can be using. Like for example, one state to another state we can using one terminal or one server. One state to connected to another country we can be using the one more server. Okay, that is the advantage of this WAN. And this WAN ranges kilobytes per second, kbps to megabytes, kilobytes to megabytes, and devices used to this WAN the transmission data through WAN area optical fibers and microwaves and satellites. Okay, this is the advantage of the wide area network.